In our fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are constant companions. We're always on the go, juggling endless demands and rarely pausing to breathe. Many seek natural, holistic ways to find calm and restore balance. Crystals offer a simple, grounding ritual, connecting us to the earth and inviting moments of peace. These stones aren't just beautiful. They're believed to carry stable, soothing energy. Holding a crystal can anchor you in the present, providing a tangible sense of comfort. This isn't about replacing professional help, but adding a personal layer of support to your daily routine. Using crystals can become a mindful ritual, setting intentions for peace and self-care. Whether you're new to crystals or a long-time believer, this guide will show you how specific stones can help you find serenity. It's about empowering yourself with accessible tools to navigate stress. Let's explore how the wisdom of crystals can help you create a calmer, more peaceful life. Take a breath, slow down, and discover the gentle power of nature's gifts. Your journey to tranquility starts here. Let's begin. How do crystals help us feel calmer? Everything, including our bodies and crystals, vibrates with energy. When we're stressed, our energy becomes chaotic. Crystals have stable, organized vibrations. Bringing a crystal into your space can gently encourage your energy to return to balance. This process, called entrainment, is like tuning forks syncing up. Each crystal has a unique frequency: rose quartz for love, black tourmaline for protection. Choosing a crystal lets you set an intention for the state you want to achieve. You don't need to be an expert. Simply holding a stone can be a meditative act. Crystals serve as physical reminders to pause, breathe, and focus on well-being. Their beauty and energy empower you to take an active role in your own healing. It's a gentle, intuitive practice, one vibration at a time. Now, let's meet some of the most calming stones. Transition to next scene. End of scene. Meet amethyst and rose quartz, two gentle, beloved stones for emotional balance. Amethyst, with its purple hues, is known as the stone of tranquility. It soothes an overactive mind, eases stress, and encourages restful sleep. Think of amethyst as an anchor, calming mental storms and bringing clarity. Rose quartz, the stone of unconditional love, comforts and nurtures the heart. It dissolves self-criticism, replacing it with compassion and acceptance. Together, these stones address both mind and heart. Amethyst for clarity, rose quartz for emotional healing. Use them by holding, meditating, or placing them nearby during stressful moments. Their touch grounds you in the present, offering a sense of peace. These stones are more than beautiful objects. They're allies on your journey to serenity. Let them remind you that calm is always within reach. Next, discover two more stones for deep peace. Transition to next scene. End of scene. Now, let's explore lepidolite and blue lace agate, stones of deep peace. Lepidolite, rich in lithium, is a natural mood stabilizer, easing anxiety and emotional turmoil. It's like a steady hand, bringing hope and balance during stressful times. Blue lace agate, with its soft blue bands, calms the mind and encourages gentle communication. It helps you express yourself clearly and peacefully, reducing tension in conversations. Lepidolite works from within, soothing emotional waves. Blue lace agate helps you interact with the world calmly. Carry lepidolite for support during tough days, or wear blue lace agate to remind you to speak with compassion. These stones don't suppress feelings. They help you process and express them healthily. They empower you to find your center even in chaos. Let their gentle energy guide you to a more peaceful state. Finally, meet the ultimate trio for protection and clarity. Transition to next scene. End of scene. End of scene. And amplification. Place them in your space to create a sanctuary of calm. Let black tourmaline guard, selenite cleanse, and clear quartz boost your intentions for peace. These stones work quietly in the background, supporting your journey to a stress-free life. Embrace their energy and invite tranquility into your world. End of script. End of scene. End of scene. Combining calming crystals can amplify their effects, much like mixing ingredients for a richer flavor. Pairing stones creates a synergy, weaving their energies together for deeper calm. Some crystals harmonize like a calming melody, while others balance each other for a more grounded effect. Trust your intuition as you experiment. Your energy knows what you need most. Amethyst and rose quartz are a classic duo for emotional well-being. Amethyst calms the mind, easing anxiety and mental tension, while rose quartz soothes the heart, encouraging self-love and compassion. Together, they restore inner balance, bringing peace to both thoughts and feelings. Hold them during meditation, place them by your bedside, or carry them with you as a gentle reminder to be kind to yourself. When stress feels overwhelming, lepidolite and selenite are like an emergency reset for your mind and energy. Lepidolite calms your emotions and soothes anxiety, acting as a steady anchor. Selenite clears away heavy energy, leaving you feeling light and refreshed. Together, they bring swift, peaceful clarity, melting stress from the inside out. Simply place lepidolite on your chest and sweep selenite above your body for instant relief. For ongoing, everyday protection against stress, creating a guardian trio with black tourmaline, selenite, and clear quartz is an incredibly effective strategy. This combination doesn't just soothe stress after it appears. It helps to create an energetic environment where stress has a harder time taking hold in the first place. Black tourmaline is the foundation of this trio, acting as your energetic shield. It is a master at absorbing and transmuting negative energy. It takes in the stressful vibrations from your environment, difficult interactions with people, and even your own negative thoughts, neutralizing them before they can impact your well-being. Selenite works as the energetic cleanser of the group. While black tourmaline blocks and absorbs negativity, selenite actively purifies your space. Its high vibration energy is like a constant flow of cleansing light that prevents energetic buildup and stagnation. It keeps the atmosphere in your home or office feeling light, clear, and positive. Importantly, selenite also cleanses the black tourmaline and clear quartz, ensuring they are always working at their peak capacity. It is the tireless housekeeper of your energetic sanctuary, constantly sweeping away any lingering negativity that the black tourmaline may have missed. Clear quartz completes the trio by acting as the amplifier and programmer. It takes the protective energy of the black tourmaline and the cleansing energy of the selenite and magnifies them, making them even more powerful and extending their reach. Clear quartz is also a stone of intention. You can program it with your specific goal, such as, "This space is a sanctuary of peace and calm." The clear quartz will then continuously broadcast this intention, amplifying the peaceful atmosphere you wish to create and reinforcing the work of the other two stones. It turns a simple combination into a powerful, intentional grid for peace. To use this guardian trio, find a central location in your home or workspace, such as a living room shelf or a corner of your desk. Place the black tourmaline, selenite, and clear quartz together with the intention of creating a protected, peaceful space. You can arrange them in a triangle or simply cluster them together. This simple act creates a powerful, energetic fortress that works around the clock to absorb negativity, cleanse the environment, and amplify your intentions for calm. Carrying crystals with you is a simple way to create a portable sanctuary of calm. Keep your chosen stones in a small pouch in your pocket or bag and let their soothing energy support you throughout the day. Try pairing amethyst and rose quartz for general anxiety, or lepidolite and black tourmaline for extra protection. Whenever stress builds, simply hold your stones, breathe deeply, and let their grounding energy anchor you in the present. Placing crystals in your home and office can transform your environment into a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. In the bedroom, amethyst and selenite on your nightstand help quiet the mind and cleanse stressful energy, promoting restful sleep. In living spaces, blue lace, agate, and rose quartz encourage harmony and gentle communication for the whole family. For your workspace, black tourmaline, selenite, and clear quartz create an energetic shield, keeping you calm and focused. Meditation with crystals is a simple way to manage stress and deepen relaxation. Hold calming stones like lepidolite and selenite in each hand. Sit comfortably and focus on your breath. Visualize the crystal's energy soothing your mind and releasing tension. Even 5 minutes can reset your day. Choose any crystal combo that feels right, and make this mindful ritual a daily act of self-care. Crystal rituals can help you unwind and let go of stress. Try a crystal-infused bath with rose quartz and blue lace agate, or create a body grid using lepidolite, selenite, and black tourmaline. Simply relax, breathe, and let the crystal's soothing energy wash over you. These simple rituals turn self-care into a sacred practice, honoring your need for rest and renewal. Just as a sponge absorbs water, your crystals absorb energy from their surroundings. Over time, they can become saturated, making them feel heavy or dull. Cleansing your crystals is like hitting a reset button, clearing away energetic debris so they can work at their best. Regular cleansing keeps their energy bright and clear. Trust your intuition. If a stone feels heavy, it's time for a cleanse. This simple ritual refreshes both you and your crystal allies, keeping you ready for whatever comes next. After cleansing your crystals, it's time to recharge them. Just like plugging in your phone after a long day, sunlight and moonlight are natural ways to fill your stones with vibrant, positive energy. You can also use a selenite plate or clear quartz cluster to amplify and restore their power. Or reconnect them to the earth by burying them in soil for grounding energy. These simple rituals deepen your bond with your crystals and the natural world. Once your crystals are cleansed and charged, proper storage is key. Store them in a peaceful, safe place to protect their energy and prevent damage. Wrap each crystal in soft cloth, silk, velvet, or cotton to keep them separate and clear. Place them in a wooden box or special dish, honoring their role as your supportive allies. With mindful storage, your crystals will always be ready to offer their calming energy. We've journeyed together into the world of calming crystals, meeting tranquil amethyst, compassionate rose quartz, and stabilizing lepidolite, each offering unique support for peace and balance. Combining these stones, we discovered, brings even deeper calm to mind and heart. We learned simple ways to carry their energy daily, creating personal calm kits and peaceful spaces. And by caring for our crystals, cleansing and recharging them, we honor their role in our healing journey. Remember, the most crucial element in working with crystals is you. Their true magic is unlocked with your intention. Direct its energy by inviting calm into your mind. It's an active partnership, not passive. Mindful self-awareness is a powerful antidote to anxiety. Trust your intuition. It knows what you need. Crystals are your allies, a sacred connection. Awaken the powerful healer within you. Your journey with crystals is a beautiful act of self-care. In a demanding world, these gifts from the earth help you turn lovingly toward yourself. Each moment with your crystals nurtures your soul. This is essential, not selfish. Refill your wellspring of calm and joy. Let this be the start of a deeper relationship with nature and yourself. Embrace the steady energy of your crystals. Your journey to peace is beautiful, and you have everything you need.